relaxed. It's like you're a tree, like you're planted into the ground, like you're part of that grass, like your feet are cemented down into that grass beneath your feet. Nod your head that you understand. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just get stuck into that ground. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. It is weird, isn't it? If you're used to this YouTube channel, you know that I always teach that until you've tested, you don't know if they're really accepting the suggestions, if they're really hypnotized. So you can see from that she has been hypnotized. But how was she hypnotized? Another induction this week, so keep watching inside and find out what it is. My name's Turan. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist. Every week I show you some fun street hypnosis and then break that down to give you some insight into what's going on in that hypnosis. This week we've got a video of a girl we've never seen before. It's her first video, and as you saw there, obviously something's happening. She couldn't move her feet. But how did she get into hypnosis in the first place? So we're going to go through what's called the hypnotic induction. That's the first stage of getting someone into that hypnotic state. And an induction is going to be the same whether you're doing street hypnosis or therapeutic hypnosis. So if you're interested in therapy only, it's still worth enjoying the experience from this fun stuff. I obviously keep any video recordings, any work with clients at a therapeutic level very confidential, very personal, and I don't share those on YouTube. So it's a nice way to show off some fun hypnosis, because the lessons about hypnosis are the same whether it's therapy or whether it's entertainment hypnosis. The only difference is that you don't give a suggestion that your nose is getting longer or you can't remember your name in a therapeutic setting, but you give suggestions that the anxiety's disappearing rather than their name. In this video, we're going to do a hand-to-face induction. Now, you might say, well, I've saw one of those before in your channel, but this is slightly different because I'm not using their hand, and yet the hypnosis, clearly you saw the outcome of it from the foot stick, the hypnosis worked. So let's watch the video and then stay tuned for the tutorial section after the street hypnosis fun, and I'll explain exactly what's going on. Before we see the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button so you get notified every time there's a new video coming out from myself. And leave your comments in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and answering your comments, and from time to time, if it's a good question, I'll make a video just about your question and give you a little name drop as well. So leave your comment in the comment section below. In the meantime, let's watch the video. Straight. And what's your name?
Ace.
Ace. Is this an injury or is this part of your costume?
Well, it's a bit of an injury, but it's fine.
It's an injury. I won't touch your hand then. Just be sure. What I'll do is ask you to look at my hand. When you look at my hand, just stare at one spot on one line.
Okay.
And notice now as you focus all your attention on that hand. Focus all your attention on that hand as you'll hear all the sounds around you. Hear the noises of people going past, the traffic in the background. Just close your eyes down now and allow yourself to go inside. And in a moment I'm going to touch you in the forehead. When I touch you in the forehead, you'll just, head will drop down to your chest here. You'll feel fully relaxed. So sleep now, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down, even deeper still. I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, just go even deeper inside that wonderful place of hypnosis, letting the wind blowing through your hair and all the sounds around you helping you absorb you in this wonderful state of hypnosis. I go 10, going deeper now, 9, doubling that feeling of relaxation, 8, so deep, so relaxed, 7, 6, even deeper still. In a moment I'm going to count, get right down to the number 1. When I get to number 1, you're unconscious now. We'll take you to the place that even I couldn't take you, so deep, so relaxed that everything I say will become your reality. You'll be safe, you'll be comfortable, you'll have fun and enjoy this experience inside. You're unconscious now. 4, going deeper. 3, even deeper still. 2, so deep, so relaxed, letting that feeling that you're just swaying as your legs and back support you all the time. 2, going deeper, and 1, way down. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you can open your eyes, you can be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop back down to your chest, your eyes will close, and you'll go 10 times deeper than you are right now. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What was that like? And sleep, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. And 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wasn't that great? And sleep way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3. This time, when you open your eyes, you'll be back with us, but your feet will be so comfortable, so relaxed. It's like you're a tree, like you're planted into the ground, like you're part of that grass, like your feet are cemented down into that grass beneath your feet. Nod your head that you understand. You will not be able to move your feet. And the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just get stuck into that ground. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. The harder you try, the harder it sticks. It is weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is weird. There you go. Really try. Really try. That's it. And look at me. And sleep way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Relax. Hi and welcome back, and I'm just, before we get into the hypnosis tutorial, I'm laughing at the weather. I'm shooting this video right back after the video talk to camera from last week's video because I'll be traveling, and I want to make sure I get these videos out to you. But in last week's video it was quite wet and it's quite raining, and now as you can see the sun's coming outside. The joy of Northern Ireland weather. It's same day, but in the space of a couple of minutes, half an hour, the weather's changing. It's beautiful. I love this place. But anyway, back to the hypnosis. So I hope you enjoyed that. I think you can tell she was hypnotized and she went into hypnosis beautifully. So what's different about this one? So in this induction, I was using what's called a hand to face induction. Now what makes this induction slightly different than what I usually use and is usually seen in my videos is that usually I'll use a pattern interrupt. I'll reach out to shake someone's hand and then I'll interrupt that pattern and move their hand up to their face and tell them to look at a spot on their hand and notice how it comes towards their forehead. In this one, as you saw, I'm using my hand and telling them to fixate on a point on my hand and just using my hand to allow that eye fixation to take place. So several ways of doing every induction you've ever learnt, and I want to sort of mix that up just to demonstrate that for this YouTube channel. From there I just moved my hand and said when I touch your forehead you'll go into a wonderful state of hypnosis, and because they've followed the eye fixation, because they've seen that spot in my hand and I've moved that hand just like I do with a standard hand to face induction where it's their hand, it still worked and she went into hypnosis beautifully. I count her down to deepen that trance and then give her the suggestion that her feet are stuck. Again, as always, until we get that phenomenon, that's the only time we can really know hypnosis has fully taken effect. So I hope you enjoyed that short video. I don't want to talk too much today because I've already done another video today. I hope you enjoyed that detail. I hope you understood what was going on there. If you have any questions, as I say, leave a comment in the comment section below. Is there anything I missed that you saw in that video that you would like more information on? And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a like and click the subscribe button so you see the next video that comes out from me, including that bell notification button at the end there. In the meantime, I'll leave you with this video here. It's a video from a couple of weeks ago where I was talking in a bit more detail about eye fixation. So I hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next video.